Hi everyone, very good morning to all of you. I'm from Riskcovry. We are an insurance technology platform. We are building the digital infrastructure which is required to distribute insurance in the Indian market today. If you look at the insurance landscape in the country today, it is highly fragmented. You've got multiple players which require real-time data exchange to be able to deliver digital experiences to distributors, manufacturers, and users. So the way the Discovery platform works, it acts as a unified interface across all stakeholders to be able to communicate with each other and deliver insurance policies digitally to the end user. If you were to look at the landscape, we have multiple insurers in the market. You've got life, general, standalone health insurers. You've got a ton of different products, different product categories, and different products within these categories. So the Indian market today has about 50 plus insurers. We have over 400 products. These products are distributed not just by the insurers themselves, but also by distributors who work with multiple insurers, which are brokers, banks, lenders, and now even fintech companies who are not in the financial services space, which are sold via a cross sell or an embedded insurance mechanism. So, how do you get all of that together on a single platform where any product from any insurance company can be sold by any distributor via any modus, which is either cross-sell or embedded? That is where Discovery plays. So we've created a platform that integrates all of this, standardizes communication protocol, and is able to deliver the outcome in a seamless manner. Coming to insurance distribution, I just thought I'll spend a minute on this. Insurance today is distributed primarily via two channels. It's either a cross sell or a direct sell, or it is embedded. A direct sell involves a direct to consumer interface where you've got website, mobile apps, and campaigns that insurers and brokers run. And you need sort of an experience where these can communicate to multiple insurers for multiple products. Similarly, there is an assisted sales use case, and there is an embedded use case, which is fairly common with loans and now with other transactions, which could be flight ticket bookings, bill payments, or any other financial transaction. So the idea is, how can a platform take care of all of these go-to-markets across all insurers? That is what we've built as Discovery. So this is the Discovery stack. Um, on one side are the manufacturers, on the other side are the distributors. What we've done is we've standardized the APIs for multiple products from manufacturers across product categories via our proprietary protocol, which we call the ICPI. This ICPI then communicates with multiple functionalities that we've built in the platform, which could be around issuance claims. We've built some AI capabilities, and obviously the third-party integrations which the platform does to be able to have a seamless experience. And we expose unified APIs that can be used by any distributor. Now, these distributors could be the insurer themselves, or these could be distributors like banks, brokers, lenders who are operating with multiple insurers and have a unified interface where they can offer these products to their end customers. We're an API first platform. We provide, because we work across enterprises, we are flexible in terms of the way we provide our access. So we have APIs, SDKs. We also provide completely plug and play workflows. We do integrations across uh, multiple tools and interfaces that distributors today use. And it's a full stack platform that enables you to do your entire insurance business on a single instance. So we're a 2018 founded company. We've processed till date about 4,000 crores worth of insurance premium across distributors. We work primarily in the enterprise space. We have more than 50 customers with over 200 product integrations across 40 plus insurance companies. A few logos of representative customers here, which span across financial services and beyond. To enable this, to enable the platform, we do this via 4 primary products that we've built. These are built for specific use cases. The primary use case that we started building for was the lending use case where insurance is attached with loans. So we call that our Lend Pro product. Then we have an Embed Pro product, which is being used by fintechs and by banks by non-financial services companies to embed insurance into any transactions. We're doing this for mobile phone purchases, where we're embedding device insurance. We're doing this for travel insurance along with flight tickets. Then there's a Retail Pro platform. This is basically for cross-sell of insurance, which is used by corporate agents and brokers. And then there is a console, which basically ensures that you have all information across your entire insurance business put together in a single dashboard, which takes care of uh, your MIS, your reporting, your regulatory reporting requirements as well. Specifically, if you were to talk about LendPro, this is something which is being used primarily by secured lenders. We've seen a lot of success in the mortgage segment, where multiple insurance products from different insurers are being attached with loans being given out. So what we've seen is that the lending process in the country is highly digitized. There are fantastic LOSs in the market today, and you have end-to-end digital journeys for loan disbursement. The insurance piece with those loans is what was broken. So that is where we came in. We said that how can you have multiple products being attached digitally? How can it communicate seamlessly to the LOS, ensure that the disbursement happens on time, the turnaround times are tracked, and have a communication interface with the insurance company to issue policies as soon as the loan gets disbursed. Then we have a platform which is the Embed Pro platform. This works as a unified API across multiple products. So you could be embedding a travel insurance or a life insurance or a health insurance or a device insurance via the same API. This API not just issues the policy, but also has an AI layer to it, which basically recommends the right product based on what is the journey, what are the parameters of the journey, as well as the user cohort. So we've been able to demonstrate double-digit growth in terms of conversion as far as attachment rates are concerned. So if 100 people are doing a particular transaction, and pre-Embed Pro, they were seeing about 7 to 8% growth. We've actually 7 to 8% attachment. We've taken that to 15% plus in using our AI-based recommendation engine. Uh, then we have a standard platform for retail insurance, which is used by brokers and corporate agents, and the console that I spoke about. Thank you.